These are the Weld Clear 3000 welding booths specifically designed for weld training and instructional service. Air Purification's proprietary, self-contained, true high-performance Weld Clear booth systems operate hands-free and involve no expensive and inflexible ducting, no remote collector unit, no breaches to your building's walls, and no problematic exhausting. With Weld Clear's unique standard regain air feature, available contaminant capture velocities can exceed a truly impressive 300 foot per minute. Air Purification Weld Clear booths thus incorporate genuine high-performance push-pull airflow contaminant entrainment capability. The Weld Clear 3000 offers great standard features such as dust-tight LED lighting, height-adjustable and grounded weld table, high-temperature thermal shutoff switch, GFCI duplex outlet, premium weld curtain, and filter monitor gauge, and is available in multiple sizes and motor voltages. Please contact Air Purification Incorporated for further information.